This is a review of the Bootstrap Farmer 32 cell 2.5-inch pot. And it's in the quantity of 80. These are phenomenal. I use these especially when up potting from the 6 cell, and I love the fact that these are so heavy duty. And I have used these 3+ seasons already, and they have, drainage holes for the bottom, and so then that way you can also bottom water in the trays, when it comes time for watering. These are made very, very heavy duty, and I love that fact because then I'm not as concerned, because of the fact that I feel like I'm investing in my gardening journey instead of relying on single-use plastics. This is the 2.5-inch size pot, and it's perfect for, like I said, when I'm up potting from little baby seedling starts to the next size up.